Hidden sweet spots, where nature whispers secrets only a few ever hear. Places so perfect, they feel like glitches in reality.
Where time slows and your soul remembers how to breathe.
These are the sweet spots, hidden in plain sight. Ready to see them? These places exist right now, waiting for you.
No filters, no CGI, just Earth showing off in silence.
And then, there are moments that break reality completely. This is our planet when nobody's watching.
Find your sweet spot. The world is still magical.
If this made you feel something, subscribe. More hidden magic every week.